Here's a proven secret to boost sleep and reduce pain. Introducing nature's powerful anti-inflammatory juice. Upgrade sleep, relieve pain, or your purchase is on us. Replace habit-forming prescription medication with this triple-threat sleep aid and pain reliever. The ultimate antioxidant, Tart Cherry was featured to reduce pain, fight heart disease, and promote sleep. Introducing uniquely pure 100% organic Tart Cherry Juice. Best natural melatonin source for improved sleep, block bad enzymes for pain relief, help fight heart disease by controlling bad cholesterols, neutralize harmful oxidants in the body. It's the sweetest thing you can do for your health. A must-have for athletes, pro teams from the NHL, NBA, and Division I NCAA use Tart Cherry Juice to recover and reduce inflammation after strenuous activity by taking Tart Cherry Juice for 7 days before competition. How to use Elite Gold's Tart Cherry Juice? Try 1 serving for dinner or 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Perfect as a mixer, fruit smoothies, or cocktails. Add to your favorite dessert, ice cream, yogurt, fruit, or pastry, and beyond. Made in the USA, superior potency. Try Elite Gold's Tart Cherry all-natural sleep aid and pain relief, 100% guaranteed. What are you waiting for? Try it yourself today.